eventually goes away, which I think it's a lifter. Sounds like it's in the back. Going away now that the oil's coming up in. See, it's gone within what was that, 30 seconds? So, I'm gonna do some research, see if I can dig into it. Alright, I just picked this up. On the forums, everybody says it's really good for ticks and stuff. So, I'm gonna add this and we'll see what she does. Alright, it says to shake well, dump the whole thing in there. Whoa. That is crazy looking. All right, gonna let that sit and I want to start it up. Got quiet a lot quicker. Like almost immediately. That's a good sign, I think. Alright, I'm gonna let it run a little bit and let it completely cool down and try and do a cold start later, and we'll see what it sounds like. Okay, so it's been about a week, a little less than a week, but it's been long enough to where that engine restore has settled in the engine. I've been driving the car. Every time I've started it cold, it's gotten better and better. So I did a 1 day after, I think it was right before this. I waited 1 day. So it's about a week. I wanted you to hear it start. So you could hear it knock like maybe once right when it started up, but it immediately goes away. And if the motor's warmed up at all and it's a warm day, it's not exactly cold. For Dallas, Texas, it's like 72 right now, which, trust me, the way the summer just ended, we've been in the high 90s, 70 feels pretty awesome. Anyway, it works. I recommend the stuff. And no, I'm not sponsored, or I don't get anything for it. I'm just looking for easy solutions to fix my cars, because I got a number of cars that I work on. My kids all have cars. The stuff, I heard about it. It really works well. So if I can figure out how to make links work in YouTube, I'll put a link down. If not, you can search for it. I got mine on Amazon. It's pretty cheap. Actually, they got it at O'Reilly's and AutoZone. So I think it was like $10. It fixed my problem.